Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Justin Lin here at Rehab and Revive Physical Therapy, where we rehab your mind to revive your body. Today I wanted to give you a new core exercise, something fairly simple, but something to help a lot of us improve our postures. A lot of women, a lot of men even, puffing up their chest, tend to have weakness through their upper abs. So this is a great upper ab exercise, really easy to do. All you need is one of those physio balls. We can play with the little balls, and then, yeah, it's gonna be fun. So why is this upper ab exercise important? Well, let's break it down.
Break it down.
A lot of times when you've got this overcompensating, especially nowadays during post-pandemic, we're overcompensating from the slouch posture. It shows that there's a lot of weakness in the front, and because there's a lot of weakness in those obliques or those upper abs, you start having to arch just to kind of prop yourself up and give yourself balance, you know? So it's kind of something like an animal or a bird or something like that.
Oh, you look like a bird.
The dodo bird, maybe. So this is very important because the obliques not just are important for rotation, but they actually stabilize your rib cage, bring your diaphragm to a length tension that's appropriate to help you breathe, and then you're just gonna have a better posture, less neck pain, all that fun stuff. So stay tuned, we've got this exciting exercise coming up. All right, we're back, and what you need is a nifty ball that's nice and springy and doesn't have to be blue, but you know, you've seen this ball multiple times in a lot of videos, and I just want to give it a shout out. It's lasted about 20 years. I brought this baby to college, and you can even see there's some war wounds. This is just the paint. I painted the wall in my apartment at the time, and it stuck to it. You know, but you know, it's really lasted. You know, it really shows you some of the old stuff, really just more sturdy, better. So we're gonna keep using this until it pops. So I'm excited. 20 years. It's been it's lasted longer than a lot of relationships.
To be heard, to feel loved, to be left out in the dark.
All right. Now what's key about this exercise, this upper abdominal, this oblique, is really about stabilizing that rib cage, keeping us in that good neutral spine. I like to give the example of some people have seen those ab wheels. Now those are great, but that's a lot of torque on your spine, and it's actually not reinforcing the correct muscles. But in theory, that's what it is. Or if you've done a cable tricep pull down, all you're really doing is, some people might have tried this before, you're locking your elbows and just taking that bar and pulling it towards your waist. So it's kind of like this, you know, who knows, right? You know, I don't even know what action, but you can use your imagination on that one. So what we want to do is you're going to kind of come down here, and you've got a little tabletop right here, and I'm going to be pushing my elbow down and let it slide. So we're going to compress the ball, and through my shoulder blades I'm going to prop myself up to here. So that's all shoulder blade right here, and then I want to pull it towards my waist. And we're gonna go through here. And it's a little bit of this hip hinging. It actually helps those with lower back issues as well. So hip hinging. I'm gonna press down through here. Now, if you're having trouble with your knees, you could also do the same movement on the wall. It's just, this is just really high up. That's a variation, but I love this. You could try different angles over time. It's just, all I'm doing is just pressing down and pulling it towards my thigh. So it could be this way, it could be this way, it could be this way. I really don't care. Just gotta do it. Press that and use those shoulder blades. Lock those shoulder blades down and in, and then pull. There we go. And that's it. I love it. All right, we're back. So hopefully you've made that transition from pterodactyl or dodo bird to a more neutral spine human being that's ready to go conquer the world. I always say, check with your healthcare practitioners, make sure this is a safe exercise for you, but I think it's great. Generally, you want to do it more in a controlled sense, not about doing as many reps as possible. We want to have that controlled, slow and controlled, feeling every fiber of these stabilizing muscles that hold your rib cage together. So check that out, and who knows, you might even have a side benefit of getting this upper six pack all ripped up. So if that totally happens, we'd love for you to give us feedback and let us know how it's all going. As well, please share it with anyone that needs it, and then leave these guys, subscribe below. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.